Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal of a video, but I made a video about making this right here yesterday. And then before I deleted the file, I thought I'm going to play around with the Twirl tool. So I thought I'd show more about just what the Twirl tool, from this right here, I created this, and this. Total different looking objects. So what we're going to do, let's move this one out of the way. Let's make our black box bigger. And let's take a duplicate and let's make 3 of them. Whoop. Keep grabbing the black box. Now I'm going to move it one more time and I got 3. So the Twirl tool is underneath your shape tool. And it's right here. And you've got a lot of options. 20 inches, which would cover the entire thing. Not only going to show you where it's at, I'm going to show you how to use it because it can be a little bit not finicky, but you got to know what to do. You have not only the size of the nib, you have the direction of the rotation and the rate that it's going to change. If you set it to 100, and I'm just going to hold down the mouse for like a split second, and look what it did. I really had no control. So let's back up here, and let's change it to, you can actually type in a number. Let's just go 22. And then when you do this, so the part I was going to show you about, you have to select it. And I don't know if you can see that on your little screen or your computer, and then you can go to the middle where it's not really there. And see, I held the mouse down for a much longer time that time. So I had control. Now you can change direction. Now see, I can't do it until I get off on the subject and click it and I see the little white dots. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction and look at the difference. I mean, it's incredible to play around with it. And let's do one more thing. Well, still with the Twirl tool, let's make our nib like 10 inches. So now I'm not totally as big as the whole thing. I'm going to select it, then go near the middle, and look at that. So now I've changed, I didn't change the outside hardly any, but I changed that. I'm going to do one more, because one thing you can actually do that's pretty cool, when you get the Twirl tool and you click on it and you start moving it, you can actually move it left to right, and then or move it. It's kind of like there's a push and pull, or attract and repel that kind of does the same thing, but not as it's twisting. Now I don't think that's really useful, but it is pretty cool. And so now let's make our nub like 5 inches. Well, let's make it 7 to make sure it'll touch. Grab our item, and let's go this way. Get it toward the middle. Grab our item, and then hold down your left mouse button. You didn't change very much, but you changed the center quite a bit. It really looks like it took forever to draw that. It looks 3-dimensional. It actually looks like some sort of tunnel, whatever. Kind of fun to play with. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.